Hi, in this video, I'm just going to go over some quick overview of what reports are needed to get activity into M3. Now, this isn't just a full-on list of every PMS system or anything like that, or all the processes going into the M3 side, but it's just to help you get those quick wins so you can start entering activity from your PMS systems efficiently, simple, and very, very quickly. So things that we'll go over on these videos are what PMS reports to look at and what's needed, what to review, enter, and ignore because some of that activity will already be recorded in other areas. And then because every M3 daily report is different, we're not going to go actually how to enter for your particular hotels, but these are just some general overview and things. Also, please keep in mind that the verbiage used on your PMS system may not be the exact verbiage used in your M3 daily report. So you do want to you might have to, kind of finesse and look at history in order to get that activity in. And always be sure to ask your hotel accountant or general manager on where they'd like that activity entered if you're not necessarily the one who's always handling that responsibility. So here are some other things just to keep in mind when rolling over the M3 daily reports. First thing, if this is the first time doing it, make sure that you have user access to that role. That way you can actually roll over. I forgot about this yesterday myself when I was working with a hotel general manager where they had the ability to edit and calculate but not roll over. So I needed to make sure that they had access to actually complete the rollover step. Secondly, don't forget to hit edit. Sometimes we go in there, we start trying to click around in the system and you have to hit edit first in order to enter in activity. The next thing is your day must be in balance. So your revenue and your non-revenues, like your taxes, must equal your payments and settlements plus the net change of each hotel ledger for the day. You must have an AR balance of 0 for your M3 daily report to roll over. Please keep that in mind. Now, if the day is out of balance and you're unsure why, please reach out to your hotel accountant or general manager or management company so they can help you find what activity is either missing or might have just been misentered, like you put 30 cents instead of 40 cents, just to help with those details with it. Now, if your hotel has any point of sale activity on there, you can either enter that activity in per day, or you might decide that to be faster and more efficient, if there is an activity importing into your PMS into M3, you can always enter that activity at the end of the month in one lump sum. But please make sure that you reach out to your hotel team and your accounting team to make sure which way they would like that activity to be monitored and entered. We are completing end-of-month items, or excuse me, we are going to be completing end-of-month reclasses for the daily report for items such as market segmentation. So we're just entering full lump sum of the room revenue into one account right now. Same thing for the market statistics. And at the end of the month, we're going to make a reclass between each of those individual market segmentations so that the P&L is accurate and you can review that activity to make the best operational decisions for your hotel. But instead of trying to differentiate every single market segmentation from the market segmentation analysis report or the day stats, month-to-date report, anything like that, we're going to do it just one lump sum, and then we'll reclass it at the end of the month. And that's the way we're currently handling it for most of our hotels. So I want to point out that little quick tip for saving time as well. I hope you do find these videos helpful, and you and your team are able to get these items updated quickly and effortlessly. Thanks.